Hi, I'm Jay from FFX. We're here at the Bosch HQ talking 18-volt power tools with Dan. Dan, what can you tell us about the nailer?
Right, so this is the GNH18V-64M. The naming structure there suggests the 64 is the maximum length of nails that you can fit in this second fixed nailer. There's elastomers built into here. These are easily replaced. It's only 3 bolts to take the top off, so you can easily replace that. A couple of pins here, take the striker out and replace that as well.
Absolutely.
You can really look after this machine yourself. Anything in the 18-volt range of lithium-ion batteries, all the way from our 1.5 amp hours, they've been around for a little while now, all the way up to our 12 amp hour Pro-Core batteries. There's a couple of other features on this machine as well that is worth mentioning. The nails it takes, we've got some just here, 1.6 millimetre, which is 16 gauge. And they're slanted back at a 20-degree angle. This means that you can use many manufacturers' nails out there. You're not tied down to any specific manufacturer's nail.
That's good news for all.
The machine also comes with a couple of modes. We've got a single fire mode and a bump fire mode, which means you can repeatedly nail without releasing the trigger. Just keeps you going, keeps you working straight through.
So you get the job done quicker. And
exactly,
fantastic.
Yeah. Really quick reload time on it as well.
Fantastic. So Bosch really have thought of everything, and if you want yours, you can get it today at ffx.co.uk.